This is an original production of The Gnomes of Wondergarten, with story, music, and performance by Nathaniel Santa Cruz. Let's begin. Chapter 9. Halfway Through. The Snow Queen had come and gone, leaving the garden cold, wet, and bleak once more. In the old birch tree, Thumbkin was helping Hamilton make new candles for the candle festival, which was taking place at Puddleblume's that evening. As they pressed wax into walnut shells, Thumbkin glanced out his kitchen window. A heavy sigh escaped him. He could see Rutabug's garden, quiet and asleep. Thumbkin knew that winter had driven his friend deep into his hole, where he had locked himself up for days. "What a sad gnome," said Thumbkin, looking concerned. Decidedly, he looked at Hamilton and said, "We should go check on him." After bundling up in scarves and coats, they headed toward Rutabug's garden. When they arrived, Thumbkin knocked on the door. No answer. Hamilton peered through the foggy window, but the house was still. Thumbkin knocked again, harder this time. A series of loud crashes came from inside, followed by silence. After a moment, the door creaked open, revealing Mr. Morrison Mole. "Good morning, Morrison,"
Good morning,
said Thumbkin and Hamilton. Morrison turned to the sound of their voices.
Thumbkin, Hamilton, it's a pleasure to have you both visit. Come in. I'd offer tea, but, without Rutabug, I've had a bit of a hard time keeping the place tidy."
Where is Rutabug?" asked Thumbkin, stepping inside.
I haven't seen him,
said Morrison, chuckling lightly.
He's been holed up for days now. I suspect the weather has him feeling down again, and without him helping around the house, well, let's just say things have gotten a little chaotic.
Thumbkin and Hamilton entered the house. It was in complete disarray. The dishes were piled high, dirt gathered in the corners, and clutter filled the space. Feeling his way with his cane, Morrison sat down on a chair.
"It's hard to manage everything alone,"
he said, quite tired. Thumbkin looked around.
"Why don't you sit down and rest?" he said. "We'll get this place back in shape."
Thumbkin tossed Hamilton an apron, and after tying his own, said, "It's time for us to clean." "It's time for us to clean, a place for everything. It's time for us to clean, a place for everything. Wipe the table, clean the floors, wash the dishes, do your chores. Wipe the dirt and dust away. We're caring for our home today. First we'll work and then we'll play. Sing with me the song to say. It's time for us to clean, a place for everything. It's time for us to clean, a place for everything. Wipe the table, clean the floors, wash the dishes, do your chores. Wipe the dirt and dust away. We're caring for our home today. First for us to wash the dishes. Sing with me every song to say. Thumbkin and Hamilton quickly got to work. They picked up clutter, dusted shelves, and wiped down surfaces. Thumbkin swept the floors while Hamilton scrubbed the dishes. Together, they soaked and scrubbed the dirty laundry, then hung it up to dry. Morrison guided them from his seat, calling out where things belonged. By noon, the house was immaculate. Satisfied, Thumbkin decided to make Rutabug's favorite meal: baked potatoes stuffed with chives, mushrooms, and cream. The delicious smell filled the air, spreading warmth throughout the house. Just as they were setting the table, a faint voice came from the back of the house.
Thumbkin?
Rutabug stood in the doorway, eyes wide with disbelief. His normally robust figure looked tired and slouched, but the sight of his clean home and a warm meal brought light to his eyes. Without a word, his heart swelled with gratitude until they emerged as tears in his eyes.
You didn't have to do this,
Rutabug whispered.
No one ever does, Thumbkin said with a gentle smile. But that's what good friends will do.
Rutabug stood still, overcome with emotion. He took a deep breath, then approached Thumbkin with a big hug, lifting him off the ground. Thumbkin squeaked. Rutabug chuckled as he gently set him down.
Thank you, friend,
Rutabug said.
I needed this.
Thumbkin smiled and nodded towards the table.
And now you need lunch.
Okay.
They sat down and enjoyed a meal together. Afterward, Thumbkin wiped his hands and led Rutabug outside.
Come with me.
The cold air met them, but above, Father's sun was shining bright.
We're halfway through,
Thumbkin said, pointing up.
Lady Spring is on her way.
Rutabug gazed up, breathing deeply.
Almost there, he said. Just a little longer.
With life returning to his cheeks, Rutabug gave a sturdy nod, feeling hope restored once again. That evening, everyone gathered around Puddleblume's pond for the candle festival. The ice had thawed, and the water reflected the soft glow of Grandfather Moon. One by one, each set a candle in a walnut shell, letting Sister Flame drift upon the water. As the candles floated across the pond, Thumbkin led everyone in song.
The star now blue, we are halfway through. All the snow and ice to the green grass again. Very soon we will see the light and the garden dressed in new flowers again. Come with me and then you'll see that new days will come with the returning sun. Take my hand and together stand as our candlelight drifts into the night.
Thank you for listening, and we hope you enjoyed this story. Be sure to visit us at wondergarten.net or join us on the Wondergarten app. Now, please enjoy some music from this story, performed by Catherine Brunner.
It's time for us to clean a place for everything. It's time for us to clean a place for everything. Wipe the table, clean the floors, wash the dishes, do your chores, wipe the dirt and dust away. We're the star now blue. We are halfway through all the snow and ice to the green grass again. Very soon we will see the light and the garden dressed in new flowers again.